Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Falguni and you are watching Do It Yourself Simple Beauty Secrets. Today I will show you how to use castor oil for hair growth. Hair loss may be one of the most common hair issues. There are number of things we can do to strengthen our hair, but personally I feel more comfortable with natural treatments like oil. There are several oils that you can use for hair growth and hair strength, but I will talk about castor oil today because it has been used as a hair treatment for centuries. Castor oil is an age-old beauty treatment which mostly used for hair growth. Castor oil has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties and is high in vitamin E, minerals, proteins and omega 6 and 9 beneficial fatty acids. Castor oil is used on the scalp as a home remedy for hair loss. It has many other uses as well, including moisturizing dry hair. It can also make your hair grow stronger and thicker. So today I will show you how to use castor oil with aloe vera gel, fenugreek seeds and coconut oil. So now I will show you how to use castor oil with coconut oil. So for this you will require 3 tablespoons of castor oil, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Castor oil is very thick, which can make it hard to apply. Castor oil can smell bad, so if you want you can add 2-3 drops of any essential oils. Mix both the ingredients properly and keep this oil in a jar and close the lid and shake it so that it will mix evenly. Whenever you want to use this oil, warm it for few minutes and once it cool down, apply this oil on your scalp and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. Use your fingers or brush and start applying it onto your scalp with circular motion. This gentle massage increases the blood circulation, rejuvenates the hair and stimulates hair growth. If you want, you can also wrap your hair in a warm towel. Finally, rinse out with shampoo your hair. You can do this for 3 to 4 times a week for better and faster results. So now this in second method, I will show you how to use castor oil with aloe vera gel. So for this you will require 3 tablespoons of castor oil. I have taken this here and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Now mix castor oil and aloe vera gel in a small bowl. Aloe vera, the miracle plant, is ideal remedy for solving majority of your hair problems. You can also use aloe vera on hair for many other purposes like getting rid of dandruff, itchy scalp, dry hair, bacterial and antifungal infections. Aloe vera hair treatment is an excellent natural home remedy to make your hair problems free and perfect. Mix this properly and apply on your scalp and hair. Wrap your hair in a towel and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. Finally, rinse out with shampoo your hair. You can do this 2 to 3 times a week for better and faster results. So now in this third method, I will show you how to use castor oil with fenugreek seeds. So for this you will require 5 tablespoons of castor oil, 5 tablespoons of coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Now take a pan and add all the ingredients. We have to heat this all together until the fenugreek seeds look black. Now you can see our oil is ready as the fenugreek seeds has turned black. Once this mixture gets cooled down, you have to strain this mixture and apply this on your hair and scalp and split ends. Leave it for 30 to 45 minutes and wash off with shampoo. Fenugreek seeds have been used since time immemorial for curing hair problems. So you can go ahead and use them without any second thought. The best thing about coconut oil is that it is natural and free of those scary chemicals used in commercial hair care products. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you like, then please do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.